Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to recover deleted WhatsApp messages without using any third-party apps. Let's say a message arrives on your WhatsApp, but before you can even open it, it gets deleted automatically by the sender. Don't worry, I'll show you how to recover and read that deleted message using just your phone settings. So let's get started. First, go to your phone settings. Now scroll down and tap on Notifications. Next, look for and select Advanced Settings. Inside that, you'll find an option called Notification History. Go ahead and tap on it. Now, if this setting was already enabled on your phone, you'll be able to scroll through all notifications from the past 24 hours, including deleted WhatsApp messages. This works because notifications get saved in the system history before the sender deletes the message. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more WhatsApp tips and smartphone tricks. Thanks for watching.